We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.